Good day, my name is Dr. Lucas du Plessis, and I would like to tell you about what I believe is a disruptive technology in the machine tool industry. Hybrid layout machine tools consist of a parallel kinematic device combined with a serial layout device. The example shown here has a 2 degree of freedom parallel kinematic device controlling the cutting tool and spindle along the Y and Z axes. The complete parallel kinematic device is controlled along the X-axis in a serial fashion, making it a 3-axis machine tool. My invention is a 5-axis hybrid layout machine tool. For illustrative purposes, only one of the 2 support plates are shown. In terms of control, the workpiece is rotated about the A-axis. By varying the 3 actuator leg lengths, the moving platform can be controlled along the Z-axis, X-axis, and can be rotated about the B-axis. The spindle with the cutting tool is carried on the moving platform while it is controlled along the Y-axis. As you can see, there are 5 axes of control. This machine is indeed disruptive and will outperform existing state-of-the-art machine tools in terms of speed, accuracy, and cost. Please note that there is a patent pending on this invention. And with that, I would like to thank you for listening, and please do send me an email should you require any further information. Thank you.